In this video, let's see how to integrate Jira with Chatgpt. Go to Jira website and log into your account. Then, in the navigation bar, click on More. Select Apps from the drop-down menu. In the search bar, type Chatgpt. Choose Chatgpt for Jira from the suggestions. Click on Chatgpt for Jira in the search results. Click the Try It Free button on the app page. In the modal, select a site and click Review. In the Review and Install section, click Start Free Trial. In the navigation bar, click on Apps to view the installation progress. Use the app features inside Jira. Depending on the app, you can auto-generate issue summaries, suggest or write comments, draft responses or ticket resolutions, create issues from plain text prompts. So, that's how you can integrate Jira with Chatgpt.